So now let's see how we can work around with calibration option inside of Adobe Camera RAW. So over here you can see that I have an image, and over here you can see that calibration is an option over here. If I were to go around and expand this, then you can see that this is what you have right here. So over here you can see that right now you can go around and change around the red right here. So you can work around with red, green and blue colors right here and change it out according to how you want. If I were to go around and change around the saturation, you can see that the saturation of the red changes right here. But for the green, you can decrease out the saturation so that you can take out the green right here. We can go around and change around the blue saturation so that there's no blue on the image right here. So you can control individual color, that is primary color saturation over here. You can also go around, change out the hue of the red right here, just like this, and the red hue changes out and you get a different look for the image. Similarly, you can change the hue for the green right here, and that is how you get a different look right here, just like this for the green as well. And similarly, you can change the hue for the blue as well. And since there's more blue on the image right here, you can see that major changes actually seems right here, just like this. I'm just going to go around and take the blue area that I like, and then I'm going to go around and change around the green primary right here, just like this, as you can see. And that is how you can work around with Adobe Camera RAW calibration options. So hope you guys learned something as always. And as always, please like, comment, share, and subscribe.